Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan intelligent key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.